Hi, looking for video editor? You are in the right place. Let's create together. Final Cut and DaVinci for the edit. Here's what I can do. Color correction and color grading. Sound design. Different types of transitions. Animated text. For YouTube creators, I have full pack of special text, effects, and social media animations ready to go. What I can edit. Emotional wedding and love story. Stylish promo videos. Sports edits. YouTube content. And cinematic travel video. Looking for video editor? I'm here to help.